Outfit of the day, super simple and easy. Hi guys, it's the next day. So today I'm going to be decluttering all of my clothing. And I'm sorting them all out right now. So you guys have to go watch the video on my extreme decluttering. There's so much boxes and so much clothes. So yeah, are my eyelashes coming out? These clothes I really want to like give away because they're so thin. They're from, what is it, Zaful or Shein? Okay, next day. I'm going to be organizing the kitchen. I'm doing just simple organization for now. I'm not gonna do like the real organization in this video because I need to get a lot of things still. I have like 3 bins full. Oh my God, my place is so empty. I have 3 bins here full of kitchen items that need to be sorted out. And while I am doing this, I'm going to have my list with me so I am able to know exactly what I need to buy. Also, I'm going to be putting contact paper. Well, I don't know if I want to, but I think I'm going to do it. Once I find them in one of these bins, I'm going to be putting contact paper on the shelving here so it can be easily wiped off. And also, I have to wash all these things because they've been locked up in the bin for so long. I took some stuff out of my mom's storage. We're just gonna wash them, bleach them out, soak them up good and nice, and yeah, that is what we are going to do right now. I'm wearing like ultimate yard clothes because today I have to hurry up and do this because I have to go out and I have to go and film some content for Instagram. I'm gonna try doing a little bit of short videos on my feed. Anyway, so I need to, okay, so these 2 things here, we're going to plug the holes right beside the faucet. But I need to get some shoe glue to hold it. This up here, remember it was like drooping down right here? I put the shoe glue on it and it hasn't moved since then. I put shoe glue on this, I put shoe glue on this, and it held all of them. Remember I told you guys I bought these at Patmores? So they said that they don't have any bigger sizing. So I have to go and use these, but they are because the way that they cut out. So what I'm going to do is probably like just glue it in the middle here like that and get some glue to hold it in place. So I'm just gonna do it for both sides. I'm going to be washing so much, so I'm going to put on some gloves. I don't think these gloves will last long because I have nails on and they just like burst through the gloves. The only soap I have currently is this. Grab it quickly. I have to go and buy dish soap. A little bit of bleach. I need to get a spray bottle for this. Spray bottle for bleach. I don't keep the boxes, so I'm gonna throw out this box. But on TikTok, I saw a handheld can opener, like an electric one. So I think I'm gonna buy it instead of this. So I might give this away. So I think I'm gonna put it like in here. Do you see how dark it is in here, guys? So I wanna put some lighting in here. Okay, I'm all done wiping them off. Listen, I thought I only had 3 of these. I was like, yes, I'm done. And that's when I was scraping off the stuff off the buckets. And then when I checked it out, I actually have 4. So this is gonna be my home organization, my kitchen organization video of all these things here. So you guys can stay tuned on what I'm gonna do with these. Okay, this is brand new. Yeah, I was thinking of keeping these teas for like when guests comes because I don't drink tea bags anymore. I drink like bush tea now. Well, I always have. I always preferred bush tea, especially if you're in Jamaica. Like, right? In Canada, I obviously have to drink tea bags because they don't have like bush tea, but I'm gonna keep this for guests. So when they come, there's like so many different ones they can choose from. This one is chocolate mint truffle yuck. This one is super tea. This one is super tea immune. This one is pineapple coconut. Sounds nasty. This just sounds sweet, man. This one is super boost, and this one is lychee ginger. This one sounds like it would work good. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep these for guests. So I'm just gonna put them up. Okay, so far I'm like almost done, but I'm doing my contact paper on. Oh, you guys, I totally forgot I have lighting underneath there. And did you see how dark it was earlier today that I was recording? Look at the lighting. Anyway, so what I'm doing now is I'm putting the contact paper on here just to make it. I just have extras. Actually, I have a lot of extras because I bought them for the counter, but I loved how the counter looked with the backsplash. I'm like, oh, I'm not changing this. Okay, so this is finito. So I'm gonna start putting my pots in like bigger, like oven stuff underneath here. Okay, do you see how this moves? Right? I don't know if I should keep this in here. I might take it out. I don't know yet. Let me know what you guys think. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna see if I can find an organizer for these. So anyway, so you see how this moves. So let's close it up for this. Oh, it doesn't move that much. But I found these. I found this at my mom's house and I took it because she ain't using it. Should not use them. So I took them, and obviously they're from Dollarama. Okay, they have 24. And what this is for is it's going to stop this from moving. So it's always the simple stuff that matter, people. Okay, so now it doesn't move. So I have so many left, so I'm gonna continue using this for other things in the home. Okay, all done. I think actually 2 of my plates broken. I'm actually so upset. I'm done. I just have to soak the top of my blender because it has like yellow stuff on it. So I'm soaking it in bleach and soap. As you can see, it's all done. And then I have my plates in here. I need more bowls. And then I put my appliances in here for now. Then I have my cups here. I need more wine glasses. I need more regular everyday drinking cups. So that's on the list. In here I have those. In here I'm gonna put like the bigger miscellaneous things. And then this one here is gonna be for like my tin foil. Here's my sandwich bags, my lighter for my stove, and like those type of things. Now I just have to clean up all this, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey, it's the next day. I don't know what I was doing. I was just so busy. I went out for food and stuff. Well, for my dinner for the past few days. I am going down to River. I'm doing a video on my wash day routine in Jamaica for Instagram and TikTok. I'm starting to go, I want to post a little bit more on TikTok. So that's what I'm going down to River for. If I come back in time, I can actually put up my curtains today. So that's what I can do as well. Let me tell you guys what's been happening. My internet still hasn't been activated. It's going to be a month now. They keep on saying they're escalating it to like that person higher than the department that I call, and that they should give me a call back. Not even nobody could give me a call back. The technician that they sent here after a whole month, no, not even a whole month, but I would say like 3 weeks. I may sound rude, but he came back and I was like, why are you back here? If you said that there's nothing you can do, why are you wasting your time coming back here? Because that's literally what he said. He said that there's nothing you can do. So anyways, he came back and I said that to him, and then he was like, oh, I'm just gonna check your megabytes. So he checked my megabytes, and he was saying that I'm not getting the actual megabytes that I want or I'm supposed to get. And then I was like, yeah, obviously, so what am I supposed to do? He was like, well, it's something that you just have to wait and see if it works. I'm like, you said that the last time. I was like, as long as you guys aren't billing me at the end of the month, I am okay, because I'm not paying for something that's not working, that's not activated. Here's an update now. Guess what? So it was raining. It was raining and pouring and high winds. Like the winds were so strong that it popped down the internet lines into the middle of the road. So they were hanging super, super low. And then someone in the building called. Actually, someone in the building went to the Flow, one of the Flow offices in one of the main towns. Well, I can just say Christian, whatever. And they were like, I forgot what they said to her, but something about how she has to call head office, like the customer care number, the call center, whatever. And then, so she came home, called and told the people. He was like, okay, I'll report it. That's all he said. So I was like, okay, let's see if they're gonna come to next morning. So next morning comes, there's no one here. So I call them, I'm like, hello, the internet electricity cords hanging down the middle of the road, and there's trucks have to go by, people have to go to their homes and stuff like that. It's on the main road. The girl was like, okay, I'm gonna report it, and it's gonna take 24 to 48 hours for someone to come. I was like, did you not just hear what I said? It's an emergency. It's popped down in the middle of the road and the lines are hanging down. And I was like, so can you escalate the claim, because it's an emergency. If a truck comes, the whole entire place is popping down, basically. So the lines broke onto the ground, so everyone's driving over it right now. And then near where the building is to connect to the main road, the cords are hung so low in the road, like so low. If I could, I wish I could show you guys, but it's so low, like even when you're walking, it's touching like right here. I called this morning again. Hello, good morning. And then I was like, hi. So I was upset because I'm like, listen, I reported this hazard 3 days ago or 2 days ago, and all now no one's here. She's silent on the phone. I'm like, hello, don't you hear me talking to you? I didn't say it like that. I'm like, hello, are you still there? And then she's like, I'm making the report, blah, 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 blah. And I was like, so why is there so much dead air? You're not even like responding to everything that I'm telling you. Okay, so I made the report. She just ignored everything I said. I made the report, blah, 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 blah. And she's like, okay, I'm going to escalate this claim. I was like, so why did the agent prior to you tell me that she's not able to escalate the claim? Like, why are people lying? Why is everyone telling me something different? She didn't answer for the longest time. I'm like, hello? Are you still on the phone? And then she's like, yeah, is there anything more you need me to do? I was like, why are you ignoring? I didn't say that by mind. I'm like, why is this girl ignoring everything that I'm saying to her? Like, she's not responding at all. So that's a little update for the internet. I don't know why I'm getting affected with this internet. Oh, also my Digicel bill came for the month. It's $300. So I'm kind of want to see what my bill is going to be for the next month coming up. Paying a bill here. You can pay your bill at Digicel. Well, for JPS at least, if any of you guys want. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so it's the next day. I came back from coming from Riva, and you guys have to go watch the video on my Instagram. Anyways, I didn't want to wash my own hair and comb it out. No one's trying to do that after Riva because I was wearing an afro for the rest of the day. So today I went to go and get my hair cane rolled and washed because I was not trying to deal with this hair. So that's that for this. I'm going to be changing all of these light fixtures. I just have these light bulbs in temporary. So when I change them, I'll let you guys know what I am changing them to, which you guys are gonna love. It's more like sleek and where I bought them because it's gonna be like a good price. I am putting up these curtains and I'm watching the Kana's live. She talks about shipping to Jamaica. So far. She talks about shipping to Jamaica, pros, cons, what you should look out for, comparing like pricing. Well, there's a lot of things she covers in this video, but currently I'm hearing her talk about like how the cost of living is high here and how things are expensive, and sometimes it just doesn't make sense buying certain things down there, and it's better for you guys to ship. Okay, so I finally put up the curtains after 15 weeks. So this is how it looks. I love it, especially the top part. I really like how this looks. The only thing that's bothering me is how short. Like, look how short it is. So I'm probably gonna have to buy new curtains that reach like almost to the ground, basically to the ground. Probably gonna have to buy different curtains because the only thing is when I'm in here at night, people from outside could see me because of how thin they are. So let me know what you guys think I should do down below in the comment section. I'm gonna have to buy new curtains. It's very sad, but just annoying me how short it is. But I love it. Other than that, I love these curtains. Okay, so this is how this one looks. It's a little bit longer than the other one, as you guys can see. So do you see how that one's like super tall? And then that one's a little bit longer, close to the ground. I love these curtains so much. I just wish they were just a little bit longer. I'm gonna see if I can find nice curtains down here. But I hope I don't have to wait until I go to Canada to buy some sheer curtains. I got this, I literally took these from my mom's house. I don't know what it is about the top, but I really like this. I love light in my place. Okay, let me tell you guys. Okay, I have to pop in and tell you guys what happened with this mesh man. This man, so the landlord was like, hello. I paid for my mesh for all my windows from how long ago? Are you coming? Are you coming to put in the mesh on the building? He was like, yeah, man, yeah, come. Anyways, so the man comes. I'm not here when this is happening, but like the other tenants were telling me. And the man comes and he's putting in a few of the meshes them. And after like a few out of the many that's supposed to go in, he was like, oh, I have to go get my ladder. I have to go get my ladder, so I'll be right back. Tell me how the man didn't even come back home now, and it's been like a whole month. So I couldn't stop laughing when I heard the story. The man disappeared. Oh, now the man didn't come back, and half of the meshes are in on the whole entire building. So the landlord was like, okay, what the hell? But so the landlord said that the man's still making more windows for him for like some of the other units that they're finishing, and so he has to come back. So I was like, yeah, because that's so weird. Like, people are just so shady and slack. Like, ugh.